welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look right here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the little bell if you want to know when I upload videos. And yeah, let me just stop talking and let's get to this. Little quick rundown on what I did to prep and prime my face to get it nice and ready for this beat down girl. So I used the rose water and then I used a combination of these two moisturizers. I like to combine these two because I have like semi-dry skin. It makes my skin feel really hydrated. And then the primer I used is by Tarte, the Timeless Smoothing Primer. I swear by this. This is my holy grail. This goes great with dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. And then I just use the Anastasia Dip Brow. I use the combination of the L'Oreal Infallible foundation and the Matteless Poreless foundation by Maybelline. So I use these two colors to get something close to my color because I'm pretty white, but I'm pretty like light skin, but like I have like a yellow undertone, I think. And it's like it's really hard to get. Like if I get this one in a 2, in the shade 102, it's way too pink. And then this one's 112, but it's like making it look like a ghost. So combine these two makes my perfect foundation, I would say. To prime my eyes, I don't use the eyeshadow primer. I use just the LA Girl concealer because it's like, why do all that when it does me good, it does me justice. So I'm just gonna set that real quick with the Airspun powder. Be this one right here. I love this setting powder and it's super affordable. I don't have to go break an arm and a leg for a setting powder. I do like funny faces when I am doing makeup, but I mean, like, who doesn't? The palette I'm going to be using is the Modern Renaissance Palette, and I am going to be using my handy dandy Morphe brush, the M505, and I am going to go in with the burnt orange, which is this shade right here. Put it on my crease and put it above my crease as well. Okay. So should look a little something like that. Now we are going to take the color Regular, which is going to be this color right here, and I am going to take that on the same brush and we're gonna put that not on directly on the crease, but just kind of where we put that burnt orange. You'll see what I mean. We're gonna take Regular. The burnt orange is just our transition color, so like that. I know it looks hella orange, but don't worry, we'll get through this, okay? It's gonna work out. And I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush just to soften up the edges so it's not so harsh. Then I am going to take Love Letter. This color right here is a beautiful color. I'm gonna take this another blending brush that came with the palette, taking that, and that one is gonna go on the crease like that. I know it looks a little funky, it looks a little crazy, but girl, yeah, we're just taking it on the crease. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but trust me, it's gonna come together, girl. We're gonna go back with the other brush that we were applying the Regular with. No additional product on it. I'm just gonna blend that out, marry the two colors together. Okay, and now I'm going to take a packing brush, and this is just a Sephora brush, nothing special. It says Airbrush Shadow by Sephora. Yeah. So now I am going to take this color. I don't know how to pronounce that. We're gonna put that on the lid. We're gonna pack it on the lid. Put it on there. I know this looks a little scary. Don't worry. Girl, yes. Hey, baby. Yeah. Oh, yes, I had to do it one time for the one time. Shit. So, we are done with the shadows, okay? Okay, that's it. That's all the colors that we're doing. So I'm just gonna take some of that powder, the setting powder, and I'm setting my face. The rest of my face, I know right now I'm looking like a damn ghost, but that's okay because I'm gonna bring life back to my face. So now I am going to take the Masquerade mini palette. I'm gonna take this one and take that in our inner corner, and I'm just gonna take a little brush. This is an e.l.f. brush that I got 2 years back. Anyway, so this is one of my first brushes I ever got. I take the extra step, I spray my brush with some setting spray, and I'm just using the NYX setting spray, the dewy finish, and then I just go back in there with the same color. Okay, and then I apply it to my inner corner. Doing that, it makes the colors pop. Moving on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and put some eyelashes off of camera, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
I did my eyeliner and popped on some lashes. So I am just going to take a little black eyeliner of mine, and I am gonna put that on my waterline because I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm just gonna take this brush that came with my Urban Decay palette, the Smoky palette, I believe it was. I'm going to take Red Orch, I believe that's called. Take that, and I am going to put it like that. See the difference? It's more smoked out. So I use both bronzers. I use the lighter one to just, you know, kind of give like a little bit of like color back in my face, and then with the darker one I use that to like kind of contour my face. I like it, and it's buttery. It's called butter, like butter bronzer for a reason. It's really smooth. It blends out really nice, really beautifully. So there we go. See, we're not looking like a ghost no more. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of blush because I like some blush, you know, I want some color in there. I'm gonna take this blush by Wet n Wild. If y'all girls ain't getting Wet n Wild product, you guys are tripping. They have like pretty decent stuff. It's one of my favorite blushes, and it is in the color Mellow Wine, and it's a really nice blush. The highlighter I'm gonna be using, I use a combination of two. And a girl, you can have a blinding highlight and not pay that much for it. These two, they're by Revlon, so they're really pretty. This one is Peach Kiss, and this one is Golden Kiss. And when I tell you it's blinding, I mean, hunty, come on, come through. Come on now. So while this is like kind of drying, and before I set it with the all-nighter setting spray, I take my brush and I have like highlighters ready, and I'm just using the Morphe M510 brush. Now I'm finally gonna get to set my face. Fan it out real quick and take my brush, dip it into both of the highlighters. Girl, when I say it's blinding, it's blinding. Look at that. Oh my god, girl. All right guys, this is the final look right here. Hope you guys like it. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit, just close on the eyes. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.